discuss segment of a circle. What is the segment of a circle? A segment of a circle can be defined as a region bounded by a chord and corresponding arc lying between the chord's endpoints. This is a circle with center O. Let's draw chord of a circle. Suppose AB is the chord of a circle. The segment of a circle means the region bounded by a chord and corresponding arc. Corresponding arc. This is the one corresponding arc. This is also corresponding arc. So this region, suppose this is the smaller one, smaller region, and this is larger region. Okay, the shaded region is called segment of circle. Suppose take 2 points. This is a point P and this is point Q. Here APB is minor segment and AQB is major segment. Is it clear? Here smaller, the shaded regions is called minor segment and remaining region is called major segment. What is the area of segment of a circle? Area of segment of a circle is circle. Join OA, OB. Suppose this is an angle theta. Here OAPB is called sector of the circle. We know sector of the circle, the part or portion of the region lying between two radii and corresponding arc is called sector of the circle. Okay, here OAPB is sector, minor sector or sector of a circle. Here we want what is the area of APB, segment of a circle. So area of OAPB, sector of the circle, minus triangle OAB, area of triangle OAB. Okay, is it clear? Here we want the shaded area, the shaded area region area. The shaded region is called minor segment of the circle. Area of the segment APB of a circle equal to area of a sector OAPB, complete portion of a circle OAPB minus, we don't want this area, this is like a triangle, so area of triangle OAB, it gives minor segment area. Therefore area of a segment APB equal to area of the sector OAPB. What is the area of the sector? Theta by, here angle equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. This is the area of the segment formula. Suppose we want this arc length. So length of an arc of a sector. Sector of angle theta equal to theta by 360 degrees into arc length of the arc. This is the boundary. So take circumference or perimeter. So what is the area, what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So length of an arc of a sector of angle theta equal to theta by, here angle theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. These formulas are very, very important. Small note. When we write segment and sector, here write segment and sector. It means we will mean the minor segment and minor sector respectively unless stated otherwise. Okay? It means wherever we see segment and sector, so that means minor segment and minor sector. Is it clear? Let's discuss one example for finding area of the circle, finding area of the sector. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeters. Here given radius 4 centimeters and angle equal to 30 degrees. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. Here we have to find area of major sector. We know the formula for area of the major sector. Area of the major sector equal to area of the circle pi r square minus area of sector. Here sector means minus sector. Sector OAPB. OAPB. Or another method using formula, area of the major sector equal to 360 degrees minus theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Okay. So using first method, what is the area of the sector? Minor sector. Area of sector OAPB equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here theta equal to 30 degrees by 360 into pi value. Here we have to use 3.14 into r square is 4 square. 0 0 cancel. 3 ones 3 12s. 1 by 12 into 3.14 into 4 square, write it as 4 into 4. 4 3s times to get 12. It is equal to 4 14 56 4 3 12. 12.56 by 3 centimeter square. 3 4s 12. 3 1s 3 20s 3 9s. Approximately 4.19 centimeter square approximately. Okay. Area of the sector OAB equal to 4.19 centimeter square. So area of corresponding major sector, area of the corresponding major sector equal to pi r square minus area of sector OAPB. Here we have to find area of major sector. So area of circle minus area of minor sector OAPB. Pi value 3.14 into 4 square is 16 minus area of the sector OAPB, we get 4.19. Here we have to find area. So units are square units, centimeter square. This value equal to 46.05 centimeter square, approximately 46.1 centimeter square. Okay, another method, second method. Area of the major sector using direct formula. Area of the major sector, here using direct formula, 360 degrees minus theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here 360 minus theta value is 30 degrees. 30 by 360 into 3.14 into 4 square is 16. 360 minus 30, 330 by 360 into 3.14 into 16. Value equal to 46.1 approximately. Both the same values.